It's finally been unveiled. This is the 2024 Isuzu D-Max, and this is the LSE automatic version. Now, much like everything else in my life, it's quite large. Not new, the car. Seriously. You probably also want to know what the price is. Well, the top of the line comes in at 1,945,050 pesos. That is the top of the line. There are variants down the line. If you would like to get more information, head on over to autodeal.com.ph or try our app. It's available both on Android and Apple. It's finally...
Gago. Ay. Sus, tabat cuy. Tabat cuy. Cuy. Ano ba? Cuy. Tabat cuy. Cuy. Hello, Tony. Kamusta na yung mga outdoors dira? Lipang